Did you know that trends in the food delivery sector show that it is expected to grow at an annual rate of 7.5%, leading to a market volume of about $164 million by 2024? Hi, my name is Eva and I'm from Sunlight Media, a digital marketing agency in Los Angeles, California. And today I'm going to talk about how you can make a delivery app for your business. There are many types of delivery applications, and online delivery services have grown because of the need for quick courier and transport services. Many big and small businesses also rely on third-party delivery applications for their operations. Businesses have also leveraged developing delivery applications as they have helped enterprises improve their services, make procedures seamless, and increase their overall revenue. With the rise in e-commerce and the growing digital dependency amongst people, delivery applications are one of the most lucrative business opportunities. One of the main reasons why a delivery app has so much potential for success is because it reaches out to many different niches. First, let's talk about how delivery applications work. The range of on-demand delivery applications can be vast, ranging from food items, clothing items, and other essential and non-essential items. A delivery app that uses an on-demand mechanism allows clients to order and deliver goods from their desired locations. Most delivery service applications have a display dashboard that helps them follow a specific path. They can pick the item they want to deliver, then select the GPS location to where they want it delivered. After following this simple procedure, they must wait until the estimated time. This procedure is similar to ride-sharing applications since they follow the exact mechanism. Delivery applications can be instrumental tools for businesses when they want to facilitate their clients. They are intuitive, user-friendly, and are very convenient. Using online delivery applications, customers can receive products at their doorstep without commuting to the delivery store. Next, we are going to discuss how much it costs to build a delivery app. When it comes to the cost of delivery applications, it largely varies on the type of product and service you are providing. It will also change the components you need to take your delivery business online. Secondly, costs for delivery applications will also increase depending on the features you need to integrate. Finally, it is also important to note that each solution you offer will come with a cost. Taking your delivery business online requires you to build a comprehensive technology suite. A complete interface requires a customer application. This is a platform where your customer can easily navigate different instructions and make a booking in the shortest amount of time. Another aspect of an all-encompassing application for delivery is the delivery agent. In this element, the delivery agents that use your application can find it easy to cater to the needs of customers. A good delivery agent process instantly notifies each agent of customer demands. The app can also optimize the routes available for each delivery agent. Overall, the features for a delivery agent allows them to complete their delivery smoothly, quickly, and without any confusion and complications. The dispatcher panel is another feature of a delivery application that is important. You can also refer to this as the vendor panel, which is the shareable dashboard your vendors and partners can see. It can increase collaboration and pave the way for seamless work. Along with the dispatcher panel, you also have the admin panel. In this dashboard, you can look over all the activities on the delivery application. You can also manage all aspects of the delivery business from the admin panel. Next, we are going to look at ways in which you can make money from your delivery application. Building a delivery app can be a good option if you want to make money. Today, the traditional brick-and-mortar retail store is becoming outdated. Online solutions are a more lucrative option, and the on-demand delivery applications are becoming irreplaceable. The revenue generation model includes delivery charges. You can also receive advertising revenue for displaying banners and discounts if you work with different businesses. Businesses often pay delivery applications for their promotion on their platforms. In return for their promotion, the application can increase their sales. Once the sales increase through the delivery application, you can further earn through commission charges. So you can charge a percentage of the amount a user pays for their order. Commission charges are a significant source of revenue for delivery applications. These commission rates are often predefined and can vary according to the order size. As you can see, a delivery application can be a great way to kickstart your business in the digital world. It can help you leverage many different ideas and enter into various other industries. Overall, a delivery app can open up your options and allow you to collaborate with businesses from multiple sectors. To learn more about this topic and to discover more valuable tips, please visit our blog at sunlightmedia.org by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons. We appreciate your support.